In this video, I used a free tweaking utility to try and see if I could boost my FPS, lower my input delay, and lower my ping in Fortnite. This utility optimizes your computer to play Fortnite competitively with zero delay. Now before I show you guys this free utility, I want to talk about Risen's premium panels, which completely optimize your PC for the best possible performance and lowest possible latency in your computer. The premium panels hold a fraction of the power of its free ones, and just imagine how much better it'll make your computer. Risen tweaks over 1,000 reviews on their Discord server and is constantly getting new vouchers every day. You can check it out at risentweaks.com, and I will make sure to leave a discount code for you guys in the description below. The first thing you guys want to do is join the Discord server and link in the description below. Next, you guys want to find yourself to the free tweaks channel and then download a Rickson freebie 11.5.bet. Download a verified file, then you want to drag it to your desktop. Now, just so you guys know, this file is completely open source. You can right click and edit, and then look at the code yourself and see it's not doing anything malicious to your computer. And to prove it to you guys, I'm going to run it through VirusTotal. So I'm going to go to VirusTotal, and then I'm going to drag it, and it got 3 false detections. And if you go to the behavior tab, there's no detections found, so that means it's not doing anything malicious to your computer. I'm going to right click and run as administrator, and then I'm going to hit 1 and enter to create a restore point. This is so that if anything bad happens to your computer, you can do a system restore and go back to its original settings. Now I'm going to do the Windows settings by hitting 2 then enter. And I'm going to type in uppercase A and enter to apply all. Now I'm going to hit X then enter to go back to the main menu. I'm going to do game priority settings. And the only game I play is Fortnite, so I'm going to do 1 then enter. Now I'm going to do the power plan by hitting 4, enter. And then I'm going to do 1 to 4 by hitting 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, go back to main menu. If you're on Ethernet, do this tweak. If you're on Wi-Fi, do number 10, but I'm on Ethernet, so I'm going to hit 5 and enter. Now, before doing the below, make sure you do not use any of the following apps shown on the screen. If you use any of the apps, don't do it. And I use some of these apps, so I'm not going to do it. Now for GPU tweaks, I'm going to hit 7 and enter. And then to check what GPU you have, right click the bottom and go to Task Manager, then go to Performance. And go to GPU 0. If this says NVIDIA, then you use NVIDIA. If this says Radeon, then you use Radeon. And now I have NVIDIA, so I'm going to hit 2 and enter. And I'm going to hit 6 to apply all. Now I'm going to do the RAM tweaks by hitting 8 then enter. I'm going to hit uppercase A and enter to apply all. Now I'm going to go back to the main menu. Now I'm going to do a cleaner. Now I'm on Ethernet, so I'm not going to do the Wi-Fi tweak. And then now I'm going to do startup apps by hitting 11 then enter. I'm going to go to my startup apps, and then I'm going to disable everything I do not use. And the only thing I disabled is Discord Canary, so exit out of that. And now lastly, I'm going to do menu kill time by hitting 12 and enter. That is it for the tweaks, and just restart your PC and you should be good to go.